Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to upload a photo in ChatGPT. First of all, launch open the ChatGPT application on your device like you normally do, and then log into your account by entering your OpenAI account's credentials. Once you're logged in, go to the chat box at the bottom of the screen and then click on the image icon right in front of it. You will then be able to see the several options displayed on the screen. You can choose the camera button and take a picture from your camera on the device. If you want to upload an existing photo, click on Photos. In order to be able to upload photos, you need to subscribe to ChatGPT Plus. If you aren't subscribed yet, you can click on Get Plus and follow through the instruction. Purchase the ChatGPT Plus on your device, and once you do that, you'll be able to ask questions about the uploaded image. You can ask ChatGPT to describe the image, what's wrong in the image, generate a caption for the image, and so on. ChatGPT will then analyze the image and respond based on your query. So that's how you can easily upload a photo in ChatGPT. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.